Poi Taku Raukura. It's about the birth of a child. If you listen to the words and you watch the movement, the intricacy with the poi, oh, you're absolutely talking to your pepe all right. This particular time when I travelled with dinner, and Atareta is her proper name, and Trev, and you have, this real deep kōrero, and the idea was, so what's our poi going to be for Hastings? And Pauri tōna āhua. She says, wow, I'd like this to be for the matinga o te pepe. You know how we have our babies, and of course when they come and the journey that they go through. Saw all of that. Te wairua. Oh, okay. Oh, she pulls out her uke. Away it goes. Didn't have no words. Then she started playing on her ukulele. Da 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 da. Da da da. She just carried on. She goes, you like it? And I'm going, yes. Da 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 da. And she did the tune all the way through. Back then, Auntie Kato Flavel was our only composer. She was our everything e pāne ki te reo. When she was writing it, didn't say, oh, Auntie, te mea, te mea, te mea, te mea. Oh, okay. And she didn't have her pen out. And then after our conversation, Auntie's got the first verse. And that's how, ko te hononga e pāne ki te wairua o ngā kupu, o te whakaaro i a dinner. Because she could feel not heavy, but you know that. So, I'll go back to the actual creation of the poi. No one likes sing-along, especially out of Te Arawa. We were very fortunate to have Din and a few of the nannies that were really just into the sing-along. If they were going to teach us anything, we had to do it properly. So when they demonstrated, it was like, oh my God, and I thought I knew everything. It just blew me away. Absolutely beautiful. It's just the movements. And so natural. And do it like this. It was the figure eight. It was so difficult. You have no idea what it was like to teach the others. But in saying that, if you're going to teach something, you teach it properly. So that's the beginning of the poi. Then we go on to Tiny's part. Remembering, you're talking to your pepe, and they get to the adolescents, kōrerotia, ko te rito ka mahaki, and a figure just comes. That was Din, natural. And she just kept going. And so I come in, it's not about me, but I come in with the other figure, he rito ka kaha. And we'll carry on, and she'll carry on. She goes, oh, let me watch you. You do it. I want to see what it looks like. And in the meantime, it's like, oh yeah, we're getting here. We're getting here. And then to the two double, I always think about our awa, because we get a lot of inspiration from the awa hau. When we do come towards the end of the poi, it's takahia te whenua e, kaurea te moana e, whae a te iti kahurangi. We love that because we could still see, while we were on stage, we could still see the faces of our koieke around us when we were doing that part. That was one of my favourites. And I'm sure that would have showed out to the audience too.